Guys, this is Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews channel. Today I will be testing another very powerful tablet. This tablet is from the famous company called Pheonal. Now it's a very famous company, especially in the North America region, Canada and US. This is their flagship tablet, very powerful. It comes with a 10.1 full HD display, runs on Android 11 operating system. It's got 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, a very long lasting 6000 mAh battery. It is powered by the Octa-Core processor, which is ideal for gaming, and it also has a very powerful 13 megapixel camera. So let's first do the unboxing of this tablet, and then we will switch it on and test all the different applications. So keep watching, guys. Before we do the unboxing, let's have a look at all the specs of this powerful tablet from Pheonal and also compare it with the latest Samsung A8 tablet. So overall, when you look at this comparison sheet, you will notice that most of the specs are the same for both these tablets. The Pheonal tablet screen is slightly smaller than Samsung, and that's why it's a bit light in weight as well. But it's not a big difference, honestly. 10.1 versus 10.5 inches, it's not a big deal. When it comes to the battery life, Samsung has a slightly bigger battery than the Pheonal tablet, but again the difference is not that big, 6000 versus 7000 mAh. But the big difference is on the camera and the price. Pheonal tablet has a far better main camera with 13 megapixel versus the 8 megapixel, and the price is much lower than Samsung. In fact, Samsung A8 tablet is about 70% more expensive than the Pheonal tablet. Finally, for me, the Pheonal tablet seems to be a better deal when you look at all the specs and the price, but the main thing to check is the actual performance. So now let's test all the functions and features of this amazing Pheonal 10.1 inch full HD tablet. Alright friends, so now let's do the unboxing of this Pheonal tablet. You've got a user manual, then you've got cables to connect. So this is a power cable, a type C and type A, and then you've got a power adapter. There you go. So it comes with this US 2-pin power adapter. Now let's have a closer look at this Pheonal tablet. It's not very heavy. It's a very nice silver color. It comes with a screen protector installed, which is quite nice. So you don't have to, order another screen protector. That's quite nice. So the front is all white borders. At the back you have silver finishing. On the sides you've got a 3.5 mm jack for the headphone, a power button, then you've got volume up and down, a reset button here, and then looking at the top you have a type C with flash. You also have a 5 megapixel camera at the front. Now I will switch this on and then we will go through all the different applications on this tablet. Alright guys, so now let's test this Pheonal 10.1 inch tablet. Before I switch this on, I just want to see how long would the tablet take to switch on. So I've got my stopwatch ready here. So let me switch on the tablet and also start the timer. Alright, so it takes about 30 seconds. Now 30 seconds is a decent speed, to be honest. Alright guys, so this is the main homepage of Android 11. This is a standard Android system. You can see all the pre-installed applications. I've installed a few just for the test today, but most of them were just pre-installed. This comes with 64 GB of RAM, so you can go to Play Store and install quite a few of applications, games, video content. But I must say the first impression is quite nice. Very good feel, not very heavy, all plastic body with about 500 grams of weight. And the screen is very nice. It's 10.1 inch full HD, so quite clear, bright, and the colors are also very deep. Now what we will do in this video, in order to test the performance, we'll go through some of the applications. So the first application I would like to test is the most frequently watched application, which is YouTube. Alright, so the speaker is quite good, very powerful speaker. It's a dual speaker. I think they've got two speakers, that's why it's quite loud. Yeah, let's bring down the volume. As I said, it's very powerful speakers. Now let's do the test on the resolution. Alright, so this is a 4K 2160p video, but max on this tablet we get 1080p, which is quite nice. You know, it's quite clear. It's not 2160p, but with the clarity of the screen and the brightness, it looks quite nice. In fact, when you see the colors are amazing. Now let's test the Netflix app. Alright, the app looks fine. Let's play a video. So Netflix is playing nicely, very good clarity. The resolution is definitely 1080p, so that's nice. Now let's test TikTok. Alright, so TikTok is quite nice. The touchscreen is quite responsive. There's absolutely no lag, so that's quite nice. Now let's test one of the games. Playing quite smoothly, absolutely no sort of buffering or lagging. And this is a heavy file, this is a heavy game, so happy that it's playing smoothly. Alright, so the game is playing quite nicely. Again, the resolution is quite nice because of the full HD screen. It's quite smooth, no buffering or lagging of any sort, so quite happy with the games on this one. Now I have also inserted a TF SD memory card, so now let's go to that and play some files. I've got a very heavy 4K video file that I'd like to test on this tablet. Okay, this is the standard video file that I test on most tablets, just to get a like-to-like comparison. So as you can see, it is playing very nicely. Again, the clarity and the resolution is very, very good. Quite happy with the colors as well. And again, the speakers are very powerful. Now, as I mentioned earlier, one of the positive points about this tablet is the camera. The front is a 5 megapixel camera, but the main camera is a 13 megapixel camera here with a flash. And I've taken quite a few images and a video as well that I'll show you, but I must say it looks quite nice, very nice resolution, great images. So it is definitely far better than Samsung on the camera and the price as well. It's such a nice priced tablet, and compared to Samsung, Samsung is about 70% more in terms of price, and if this is around 129 US dollars, and at that price point, this is a deal, I must say. Amazing features, amazing screen. Love the screen resolution, clarity. It's 10.1, big enough for me. So if you are interested to buy this amazing